it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Becca will be sharing 5 cute and easy spring nail art designs that can all be created just by using a toothpick.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails as well as the first coat of polish. For the first design, start off by painting your nail mint. To make the butterflies, use a toothpick dipped in pink polish to make 4 circles or teardrop shapes for each set of wings. Use a toothpick dipped in black polish to make a little dot for the head and then a line down the center for the body. Keep using black to add 2 antennae to each head. The next design is Ladybugs. Start off by painting your nail yellow. Use the brush from a bottle of red polish to make a few dots on your nail. If the circle isn't as round as you want it to be, you can use a toothpick dipped in the same red polish to even it out. Add a medium black dot on the edge of each circle for the head. Keep using black to make a few small dots on the bodies of the ladybugs. Finish off by adding 2 black antennae to each bug. Next up, we'll be making some swans. Start off with a blue base. To make a swan, first make a kind of S shape with white polish. Add a white semicircle to the bottom part of the S for the body. Add 2 small black dots to the face and then use orange to add a little triangular beak. You can either make one large swan or a few smaller ones like I'm doing here. Next, we'll be making a daisy chain. You'll want to start off by painting your nail yellow. Use a toothpick dipped in white polish to make a 5-petaled flower at the tip of your nail. Keep adding flowers up the center until you run out of room. Finish it off by adding a pink center to each of the daisies. Finally, we have a little rain cloud. Start off by painting your nail a light blue. Using the brush from a bottle of white polish, make a fluffy cloud shape by painting a few short strokes of polish in the center of the nail. Next, dip a toothpick in a darker blue polish and add a couple of raindrops under the cloud. Finally, finish off with a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Which of these 5 designs did you like the best? Let us know in the comments below. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.